Konti lang siya. Konti lang yung nilagay ko. Pero okay siya. Very colorful na siya. Red, red, red na. Diba? Oh, yan. Ganyan siya. You like? Hello again mga tita at mga tito. Hi to Yesstyle. Hi to Sis Azine. Adventures and Channel. And hi to her daughter, beautiful daughter April. I am here again because of them. I am here again with this new parcel of Yesstyle. Yes, you heard it right. Yeah. And I am really very happy and very eager to open it. What is this? What is this? Oh, we have lip night mask. Wow, this is great. And this one, water tint. Jelly plumbing water tint. Deep red, it says. Plumbing water tint. And then this one is the McQueen Air Kiss lipstick. Okay, so it's pink rose. Wow. This style is very great. Pink rose Air Kiss lipstick. You got my taste. Sanitized nail cream. Cream pala ito. Okay, so we're going to use this one. I had already finished washing my face. Okay, so as you can see, it's very natural. There's nothing here. I just washed it with Olay soap. So this is it. Snail cream. Okay, it's also like this. Wow, so this is for like that. Maybe. This is good for almost 3 months, I guess. 50 ml is 2 to 3 months depending on how you're going to use it. So, no returns if opened. Meron pa siyang seal. Nakasil pa siya. Yes, so let us try to open. Yes, like that. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, really. Thank you, thank you. Yes, let us try to... Oh, the color is great. So, ito muna ang gamitin natin. We're going to use this one. So, that is the color. So, we have little colors there. Vita Snail, collagen. Vitamins, it has vitamins and collagen. Let us try to do it. Okay, so we're going to apply little by little. We'll remove first my eyeglass. Let us see. Unahin muna natin itong ating, dito. Okay. So we're going to put just like that. And then here. Then like that. Just we do not like to put things doon sa ating. Okay. So it's like this. We're going to do it like this. Wow. It is, in the very first place, it is cold. you feel that it is cold. It is not hot on the skin. So I like this. Yes. And it's not sticky. No, 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 it's not sticky. Yes. Okay. So we're going to massage it like this. Yes, you heard it right. And then we're going to put in here. Okay. So here, my nose is just like this. Yes. And then here. Okay. Like that. And here also. Going there. Yeah. And I need a little here. Here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is it good? Do I look great? Yes. Am I? Sisa Son. Do I look good with this? Yes, I feel great. I feel it is cold. It is very cold and I don't feel that it is sticky. No, no. It is not. It's good for me. Wow. I like this yes style. And then we're going to put some here also. Just a little. So that it will be even with our face. Yeah, like this. Okay. Wow, I like this. Yeah, this is great. Yes, I like it. Then we're going to just to pamper a bit. Yes, to make it, you know, yeah, like that. Then here. Wow, this is great. I like it. Now, great. I love it. Did I look younger? Is my face good with this? Yes. We'll try this. Now let us try to do this. Yeah. You like it? This is pink rose. Is it good? Yes, and then this is lip night mask. Okay, so I will use it later. And then this jelly plumbing water tint. Vaseline, kasi in the Philippines, what I am using before I use my lipstick is I am going to put lip shiner before I am going to put lipstick. Before, I'm using Vaseline because I do not have the lip shiner from the Philippines. That is my favorite from Avon. My hands are clean, my fingers are clean. So I am just putting Vaseline here in my lips. It's good. Yeah. And then we try to use now our lip tint. Okay. So our plumbing water tint from Yesstyle. Thank you, Yesstyle. Thank you very much, Sis Corazon Azon. Azon's Adventures channel. And April, her daughter, beautiful daughter, are helping me a lot. Yes, this is now our jelly plumbing tint. Ito ang sponsor. Thank you. Yesstyle Plumbing. Jelly Plumbing Water Tint. Sponsor ng mga products na aking napanalunan. So, this is a somewhat like lipstick. Do you like it? It's very red. Mm. So just be careful if you are going to put too much, then we're going to spread. Well, ayan. So just put a little and it will color your whole lips. Thank you, Yesstyle Plumbing Jelly Plumbing Water Tint. Wow. Do you like it? I like it. Yes. See? Hope you like it. Thanks.